Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to do a factory reset on your Windows computer or laptop. And for this it's quite simple. We go left in the bottom, go to settings, and then from here we go to update and security. Then we go to recovery, and then from here we want to reset this PC, so we click here on get started. Then you can keep files if you want to, but you can also remove everything. So let's do remove everything. Then from here you can do a cloud download. If you click on that, you will see exactly here what will happen. So current settings, remove apps and files, delete all files, download and restore files. And right now if you want to do this, you need to click on next. Now we go back, you have also the local reinstall, and then you can read here everything what he will do. And if you click here now on next, the reset will start. So this is exactly how you can reset your PC or laptop. And if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.